Originally 28. I would have spent the 28. But sis will take 9. Welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for hauls, home decor, and all things homemaking. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. It's springtime. And of course, you know, I have to do a little bit of sprucing up in the house. I like to do, you know, just a few little accents here and there. We don't go all out like the way we do for Christmas because, you know, Christmas, it's giving a whole movie. It's giving all the drama, all the pink, all the silver, all the gold, right? You guys know, okay? You know what I bring for the holidays. But for spring, I just love to do a little bit of sprucing up. I will tell you my most favorite accents for the spring would be fresh flowers and the candle scent that I have, like a specific candle scent, which I'll be doing a video on that on my favorite scents for my favorite candle scents for the springtime. But if you're interested in finding out some of the decor that I got for different areas in the house, stay tuned. All right, we're gonna jump right in. So this is what I decided for the spring. I wanted to give a little bit of an upgrade, or not even an upgrade, just some changes to Peyton's bathroom. She does have her own full bathroom, and she asked me when we were in Target, she's like, Mommy, can I get a new curtain? You know, I haven't had a new curtain since we moved here, and we've had her curtains up for her shower curtains up for, we've been here for almost a little over 3 years now. So I figured, you know what, let's do that. Of course, I take it down. I usually take it down and wash it maybe every other month, but let's just redo the whole bathroom as far as some of the decor so she can have something new. So we decided to do that. I also decided to do a little bit of sprucing up in my bathroom, not the full change because I've done several different curtains in there, but I did do just a new curtain and a new mat, and then just a couple other things around the house. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Of course, there'll be more to come, and I'm also thinking about doing a spring cleaning video as well, so I can share with you guys some of the things that I like to do when it comes to spring. I do love to do like a full cleaning of the house, like wiping down all the areas that we don't get to as often as we should. For example, I'm looking right now over there in my living room at some of the frames, the picture frames. I like take all those down and I'm wiping them all down, like wiping behind it. I don't get to that on a monthly basis. I mean, I know some of my followers do. I know I have some amazing followers that do great cleaning videos, and they probably get to that like every week. I don't. So I want to get to all of the nooks and crannies at the house and the baseboards and stuff. So I definitely bought quite a few items there, so I'll share those items with you in that video. But for now, let's get into the items that we got. I'm so excited. First up, let's get into the shower curtain. Now guys, I'm telling you, I don't make this stuff up. I had Peyton choose out her own shower curtain. Now we were at Target, and Target, for those of you that are familiar with their section, they have an area that is like all of that includes all of the bath decor for kids. So I take her over there. I'm like, okay, Peyton, so you want a new shower curtain? Tell Mommy which one you want. She's looking and she's like, oh, okay, I guess this one's nice. And she chooses one that's like an off-white, and it has like baby pink polka dots on it. Really nice, right? So we start going down the regular aisles now, and then she's like, oh my gosh, Mommy, I love this one. This is what she chooses, right? Let me give you a close-up of it. So I say to her, I'm like, okay, well, why did you choose this one? Literally, the girl says,
well, I just love the way the artists express themselves.
I said, sis, put it in the cart. Just put it in the cart. Because if you're going to be that extra with it, and I'm here for it, sis, just put it in the cart. I'm not even going to argue. Put it in the cart. I love the way the artists express. You know what? I love the way you expressed yourself. You want a shower curtain, young lady. Right? So we got this one, and I love it, actually. Guys, I will put this in my bathroom. Excuse me? I think it's so pretty. So it definitely screams spring to me. It has this beautiful, like, mustard color in here, right? It has, like, this teal color, navy blue, and it's just on a beautiful white backdrop, linen backdrop. I mean, if linen doesn't give you spring, I'm not sure what does. Spring and summer for the linen, right? So I love it. I got this mustard towel here. It's like a hand towel. I just got one. Here's why. I already have a navy blue bath towel, and what I plan to do is mix them. right? So I love to do different colors, especially in a kid's bathroom. So I know this is kind of like an adult kind of shower curtain, but I want to give some bright colors in there. And I actually, now that I think about it, I believe I have a towel that's close to this color here as well. So I'm going to play around with that. If you guys are interested, follow us on Instagram and I'll show you the after of what it looks like once we make the changes in there. But I'm thinking I'm going to do the navy blue. Maybe I'll do all three on her towel rack. So that would be really, really pretty. What I did as far as the matte, I got this color, another mustard yellow as well. It's not as bright as the yellow, but we have the faraway rule. I think it'll be okay. I think it's a really nice way to brighten up and it just feels like spring. I also got her these accent pieces as well. I plan to put her Listerine in here and not hand soap, because our hand soaps I get from Bath & Body Works. Guys, I don't have the time to fill this up. Let's be honest. Like, it takes too much. I don't need it. So I'm just going to put this in her bathroom with a glass tumbler. And then I'll just let her do her pumps and be able to put that in there. So I think that's great. And then I will put her toothbrush and her toothpaste on this. Here's why. I used to have, you know how they have, and even in this set it had it, where it's like, it looks like a tumbler and then on top it has the division. That thing gets so dirty because, as you know, with kids, she just puts it in there soaking wet. She drops it in there. I don't like seeing that stuff at the bottom. It's just, not here for it. So I think if I do this, it's a little bit easier for me to like just quickly clean and not have to see that kind of build up at the bottom of the toothpaste and everything like that. So I'm thinking that this is a really good idea to put her toothbrush and her toothpaste to lay on here, and not as a soap dish. Quite frankly, I have one of these in my room. I use it for my jewelry. I can't be bothered, guys. I never use something for what it's supposed to be. I know. I never use something for what it's supposed to be. I also got her the garbage can as well. She is so excited to put this bathroom together. She's been asking me to put it together all week. I didn't want to do it until I shared it with you guys. So as soon as this is over, I will definitely be getting it up, getting her bathroom together this week, because she can't wait to start using some of the new things. You know how it is. I mean, even as an adult, I can't wait to start using my new things. I'm like, can I just get to it already? So that's that. So her bathroom is going to get a little makeover. The next thing I got, this actually is from HomeGoods. I got this on the clearance rack and I absolutely love it. Let me show you guys. Do you see how pretty this is? It is a beautiful throw. Let me show you the end of it. Oh, I'm just here for it. I'm just here for it. And guess what? It was on clearance for $9. Originally $28. I would have spent the $28, but sis will take $9. It's fine. I also got this love sign. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty, and it's the same color as the matte. So in my living room, I have it pretty neutral. It's pretty much cream and silver, and the reason why I intentionally did it that way is because at any point in time, if I want to say, oh, you know what, I want to throw purple in there, I could just get some purple flowers. I can get a couple purple pillows, and everything will be great. My couch it's like a speckled cream and beige, so it's just very neutral in there, and I've done that way intentionally. So if ever I want to change up my stuff for Christmas, or if I want to change up my stuff for any season, it doesn't matter. I could literally get one or two colors, one or two pieces of decor that adds that pop of color, and we're good to go. So this is gonna go into my living room as well. And you guys know how much I love the word love. I have love. Actually, you know what? I have quite a few pieces that have love on it, but I haven't been putting it up in my house. That's got to change. I'm going to definitely start putting them back up for the springtime. So look out for that. Okay, so for my bathroom, I also got a new shower curtain. Did I need it? No. I have like 8, but now I have 9, so nobody cares. All right, so I got this one. It's like it's giving me linen, and I'm here for it. It's like linen, and it's like this, I just love it. It's navy, it's like a denim. Let's say denim, I don't want to say navy blue. It's like a denim color and white. And then it has like this eyelet kind of fabric in the middle. You know how I feel about dual fabrics. I'm here for it. I absolutely love it. It gives me, whenever I see those kind of linen fabrics, it definitely feels like a spring summer piece to me. And so I love it. I'm here for it. It gives me a little bit of a spa feel. Now, for the matte, it's by a brand called Casa Luna. Okay, this is from Target as well, It is, let me tell you though, you feel the luxe difference. You will feel the luxe difference. I think this was maybe 40 bucks, but it's pretty big though. I will tell you that. The sizing, it's 24 by 40. So it's a pretty large mat because I really wanted it to cover, like, I usually put this in front of the sink, so I wanted it to cover like the majority of that area, because I hate when a mat is too small and when I'm doing my makeup and I'm going from side to side that I'm like touching the cold floor, because I don't usually have shoes on in the bathroom. So I love this. It's so nice. It feels really nice too. This Casa Luna line is really, really nice. And I also got the towel to match. I only got this one towel because I also want to incorporate, to bring in this kind of denim from the curtain. I'm going to get, I actually already have a navy blue and white print towel. All right, so I'm thinking about cutting that with this as far as the decorative towels, and I think that'll look really, really nice. So that's the plan for my room. So I think the spring piece is kind of coming in this. I do a lot of muted colors in my old age, guys. I remember I used to do like these bright pinks and these bright yellows and all this kind of stuff. Like, I don't do that anymore. Maybe I need to get back into that. It gives me a little bit of anxiety. It's really weird. I know. If my entire house, not like Kanye's house and Kim Kardashian's house. We don't need that. Now, I don't need like all beige. That's just really weird for me. But I do love lots of creams and grays. I just feel like it helps keep everything very neutral, and it makes it a little bit easier for me when it comes to, if I on a whim want to buy a bright pink pillow, which I haven't in years, but if I do, I could just have that one pop and not feel like, oh, now I have to change everything in the room in order for it to match this rug or this chair that I really want. You know, I can just have those accents and then move them out as need be. So that's really it. We have a few more items that are going to be coming. As you know, I'm always ordering things, so I'll share them with you as they come in, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of the items that we're doing for the spring. Thank you guys so much for staying with us until the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Make sure you head on over to Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook. We're on there as well. We are growing. We appreciate your support. We love you so much for watching. Until next time.